look at this.
Wow. Crabs. Just gonna grab it.
Yeah, I want to see what's underneath. Wow, look at all this. Oh my gosh.
What?
Oh, look, this is still moving too. Look.
I'm gonna name that one Bluey.
Wow, this is so awesome. Wow, there's mussels. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy right now. Let's see what else is in here.
It's still moving.
This one is still moving.
Do you love crabs?
I love seafood. Wow, look at all this. This is still frozen. So awesome. Scallop. Wow, so much. Okay, this is so awesome. Still moving. I love it. Look, this is still moving. Hi, you're gonna be my dinner tonight. Uh-oh, let me flip you over. Oh my gosh. Go ahead, stretch.
It's flying.
No, it's stretching.
No, it's flying.
Flying!